Maiden time for the top RC Hobby Lightning warm liner glider. It feels kind of heavy for the size, and it's a really slim, stiff little wing. Anyway, let's see how we go. Where's the wind? Wind's going back that way. Alright, I'll have to walk out here a fair bit. It's a beautiful hot morning. Going to get up to 36 Celsius later on. So I'm out for an early fly. Starting off with a 2200 3S. Put a voltage sensor on it as well, so I know when my battery's getting low. Everything, there's plenty of space under the canopy, so everything sort of fits in, just sitting on top there. Elevator, ailerons, rudder. I have everything on 100%, 30% expo. Don't really like launching out this way because there's a road out beyond. There's my car there, there's people walking past. But that's the way the wind's going, so I have to do it. So let's just go. Wow. Oh, this is straight out of the box, no trim at all. It is magnificent. Smooth. Fast. Wow. What an awesome model. That's just above half throttle there. That is rock solid, locked in. Woohoo! What a beauty. Turns hard and fast and steady. There's a bit of wind around, but that's not troubling it at all. Woohoo! Don't want to fly into the sun because I'll lose it over there. The throws and expo seem perfect at the moment. Certainly not over controlled. So smooth and steady. Cruising around on half throttle. Let's do some higher speed stuff now. Very nice. So that's flat out. It's not ridiculously fast. It's low fuss fast, I'd say. So we'll try it with 4S for sure. This is very easy to fly, very smooth. I need to do a current draw test. A bit concerned about flying over that way because you get dazzled by the sun. Let's see how it glides. This is gliding now. Looks beautiful. I want to try a stall test, so I'll go up very high and see what happens. Okay, throttling back and pulling up, pulling up. There's the stall. Oh yes, it does drop a wing. Just have to be careful of it, but not unrecoverable. Let's try that again. Okay, pulling back. Pulling back. There it is. Yeah, oh, pretty gentle. I'm not worried about that at all. Alright, I'll land it. Maybe try 4S. Actually, I better do a current draw test. I'll put a current sensor on. So that's gliding in now. Ooh, it wants to glide for a long way. Whoa! This is beautiful. I'm loving it. Feels like a well-engineered glider, fast glider. Slim and slick. 11.9 volts still left, so it's not sucking too much power at all. But I'd like to see what the current draw is, so I'll put a current sensor on.
0 amps. 14.3 amps. 12.7 amps.
So it can handle 4S, definitely.
Amps.
It's full
7.2 amps. 10 minutes.
full blast.
9.4 amps. 2.3 amps.
Alright, we better try.
3 amps.
So 3 amps, it'll cruise around on 3 amps, that's amazing.
3.7 amps.
So smoothly controllable, it's just gorgeous.
4.2 amps.
Alright, it's got to be 4S then. Going for 4S.
4.1 amps.
Whew, whew, whew.
0.1 amps.
Lands fast. Alright, we've got a 4S 1800, which is the same weight as the 2200, so CG should be pretty much identical. Yeah, CG's on about 50. Could go back a little bit.
0 amps. 19.2 amps. 12.8 amps.
Now we're cooking.
12.1 amps. 16.2 amps.
16 amps max. Still not dragging a lot of current. It's cool. It's going quick.
6.9 amps.
Got people walking all around me at the moment, so I have to be careful. Just cruise around.
3.1 amps. 3 amps. 2 amps. 14 minutes.
So with that current draw, you could fly this around for 15 minutes with no problems cruising around.
6.1 amps.
Look at the old dogs going for a walk.
5 amps. 5.8 amps.
Bank and yank flies beautifully.
4.2 amps.
Axial roll. Rudder turns are really nice. Oh, lovely. Nicely controlled.
8 amps.
Nice axial rolls.
3.8 amps.
Well, it's not frighteningly powered.
3.8 amps.
That's flat out. It's probably faster than it looks, it's so low fuss.
5.7 amps.
Oh, what a beautiful plane.
9.6 amps. 5.
Whoa, it is fast. I'll have to put a GPS on it and see if I can get a speed reading. Better off now.
0 amps.
Still going quick. Nice. Yeah, this is a beautiful plane. Really well designed, really well set up out of the box. I haven't done any trim. Throws 100%, expo 30%. Probably could even drop the expo a bit. Very nice indeed. I'm on 4S at the moment, and that seems to be about right, I think. Alright, we have a little GPS sensor in there. I don't know how accurate it's going to be, but it'll give us maximum speed anyway.
0.1 kilometers per hour, 23 minutes. 19 kilometers per hour, 31.1 kilometers per hour.
So we've got up to 119 kilometres an hour. So it's not ridiculously fast, but
51 kilometers per
fast
hour.
enough. 119 I'm getting on a half-used
5
4S battery.
kilometers per hour.
Whoops,
Throttle active.
keep turning the throttle off.
31 kilometers per hour.
I need to set up from a hell of a lot longer further back. Might have to set up some
49.2 kilometers per hour.
spoilers or elevons. Alright, we'll
14.5
chop the throttle
kilometers
bit,
per hour.
there, which is about 300 metres away,
51 kilometers per hour.
and that will land it nearby.
43.8 kilometers
Wow, full length of the flying field to slow it down.
kilometers per
That's
hour.
insane. Very impressive glider. It's super smooth, set up properly out of the box, flies beautifully. Long flight times, you can fly around nice and fast. Could even handle a bigger prop, I think, or even a higher revving motor, but it's just beautiful the way it is. The top RC Hobby Lightning from Banggood. Thanks for watching.